Done, sir.
Okay. So we have gone through the
Order of locators. The
locators.
last
Locators.
part. Yeah.
And then in the Eclipse, like what did we practice? Did we practice anything about this locator?
I was practicing common methods.
No, with locators, I mean to say like, have we done anything with the value, username field and all those stuff, right? Have you done anything?
Yeah, yeah. Username and all username passwords we gave through the methods. Yes.
Okay. So like you are comfortable with them? Have you checked them or you didn't get time?
I will do today, sir. I'm at common methods right now.
Okay.
Uh, Today I'll complete these things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you open that registration page, IRCTC registration page
Yeah, sir.
manually?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Registration page. Go to registration page.
Yeah.
Come down. Scroll down. Right? You see there are some drop downs, right? Preferred languages and all that
Right,
stuff.
right,
Security
right.
features.
Yeah.
Inspect on that. Right click and inspect that. What does it say? UI drop down. Expand that drop down one. The div. Yeah. You don't see anything like select.
Select. Hmm.
Change the implementation completely for the responsible. Let us go and check something there.
Class UI drop down label.
No, 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 not that one. We'll have it similar to div, right? Whatever we are having div, right? Similar to that,
Yeah.
you need to have some class. Select
Okay.
is what we are looking at. Let me
Okay.
check.
Shall I check in this one?
Any application, if you can have anything like drop downs, right?
It
You
says
can,
P drop down. Is it that, sir?
no, 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 not that one. The tag itself will be like select.
Okay.
Should be like select, drop down select.
Should we check in any other websites?
Yeah, I'm checking it. Previously, that page is the one that we used to take for learning all the objectives
Acha.
or
Okay.
teaching all the objectives. Like whatever we have, right?
Right.
Everything can be learned with that particular thing.
Okay.
Now, when you don't have that particular object, as select, right? You cannot use the method.
Right.
I have sent you a link in WhatsApp. Check that. Open that. Right, you can see here the drop down, right? Choose a car.
Right.
This side, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Onto the side, right? We'll see it only like this, right? Once you inspect that, then you will see it on the other side, right? Left hand side,
Okay,
you have
yeah.
something called as select option where it has cars and ID, right?
Yes.
So what you need to do is like you need to go and choose an option, sub,
Okay.
right? The second option.
Yeah.
How do you do that? Manually, you know how to do that,
Yes.
but you need to give instructions to Selenium to do that. How do you do that?
First we
Right? We have to
locate the, yeah.
yeah, we need to locate the element and we need to use an element
Right.
as such to
Right.
select it. And there are some methods available on select.
Mm-hmm.
Select is a different element altogether.
Okay.
It has separate implementations given,
Okay.
right? There is a class already given. And what is the use of constructor here? Like when you say constructor, right, in Java,
Right.
what is the use of that?
Uh, we can call the method without creating an object using a constructor.
Huh?
We can call the method
Mm-hmm. Which method? Any
without,
method?
yeah, any method without creating the object, I guess.
Mhm. That is used to initialize things actually.
Okay.
For a class, right? When
Yeah.
you're creating an object, if you are having any of the prerequisites,
Okay.
like these all should be there.
Right.
For a car, when you are manufacturing a car, what should you have? You should have four wheels, a steering, handle irukudadu. No? What you should have? You should have steering and then you should have seats, the chassis and the frame and all those body and everything should be there available.
Yes.
Only with them you can create a car,
Yeah.
right? And then get them assembled. Everything can be done in the constructor part,
Yeah.
right? When it comes to your pages, right? If
Mm-hmm.
you see, go to your any of the page in your this thing, right? Go to any page, Google or something, whatever you wish. Google open management,
Oh.
right? When you say like right click and inspect, right? Go to the top in the HTML doc. Go top, right? Expand that head node. Yeah, expand that, right? You see some metadata be there, saying
Right.
like the UTF encryption is used as UTF-8, and then the content is origin and name is referrer, and you have some images for branding and all those details, right? Till title and the script and other stuff,
Okay.
right? These will be common across all the pages, whatever you see. Go to
Okay.
IRCTC, you will find them. Go to
Okay.
IRCTC, yeah, inspected, right? Now go to the top. Now already you are in inspection only, right? Go to the top. You will find the head,
Yeah. Meta,
Expand
meta
that, and you will
chassis.
see similar things will be there here,
Right.
right?
Yes.
Whatever you want to use, you will find title also there, title and all those stuff. Title you can see there, right? What should be the displayed name and all those. And you will have scripts and links and which are all referred in the particular thing. Now, if you see here, both of them has metadata for character set, UTF-8, right?
Yeah.
And then they have the title as well. Similarly, you have some other details which are similar.
Right.
Here you have something like links, and there you have something like script
Right.
that is based on that particular application, right?
Okay. Okay.
So what you need to understand here is like for constructor, when you are using constructor, you need to give it in such a way that you are initializing your particular object. You are
Okay.
whenever you are starting, right?
Yeah.
You have to say like human being. In that case, what they should have?
Okay.
They should have two legs, two hands, and one body and face and all those stuff, right?
Okay.
If those are different, right, it will be a different animal altogether. If you
Right.
are not giving the same way what a human deserves it, then it will be a different animal,
Right.
right? What we need to understand here is like whatever you want to say, like if you want to create a car, what are all the things needed for the car, you should give it in the constructor.
Okay. While defining
You are,
itself, we assign
yes, you assign some
values.
default values.
Okay.
You have to assign some default values. That is how it should go,
Yeah.
without which it will not be considered as that particular class object,
Right.
right? Understand this. And
Yeah.
then coming back to select, right? Select is a different class altogether implemented, Mechanos.
Okay. Yeah.
Select is a,
Just a second.
okay.
Yeah. Select is a.
Special class designed in Selenium for allowing us to work with drop down.
Exclusively for drop down.
Yes, drop down
Okay.
fields. Okay, drop
Yeah.
down element. And it has three methods. Three methods it has.
Yeah.
What are they? First one is by selecting with the position. Now go back to your Chrome, whatever you have open. Chrome. Yeah, right. You can see here on the left hand side you have positions, right? Option 1, option 2, option 3,
Yeah.
option 4. Based on that index, I can choose.
Okay.
If you have some elements which are being keep on changing, right?
Mm-hmm.
For cars, you have these options. If you have any other options written for your employee type, right?
Okay.
Manager and
Yeah.
all the stuff,
Right.
the designations and all those stuff. In
Right.
that, it will be different one.
Okay.
And if you are having something else coming up based on the location, right? If
Yeah.
there is like you have to choose a state, and in that you have to choose a district,
Right.
right? Based on the state that you choose, like you get the options changed, right? The district names changed.
Right. Right. Yes.
You choose countries, and then based on that you get the states being displayed.
Yes. Yeah.
So in that case, those values will not be like same whatever you are giving, right? If I am choosing Volvo, then if the particular Volvo is not there, right? If I'm having it as the other brands, right, then I should not fail. My test case should not be failed.
Yeah.
In that case, what we give is like we give it by index, by the location part, like wherever you want to have,
Okay.
so that it will be easy for us to get them identified.
Right.
Understandable?
Yeah.
So I can use either index of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
We have only 4 elements, so the index should start from 0 to
3.
1,
Yeah.
3, 1, 2, 3. Right?
Yeah.
Only 3 indexes will be there.
Right.
So here I should be giving only integer part.
Okay.
Select by index is the method, and it accepts only integer. Make a note. Go to the notes and write.
The first method.
Yeah, select by index. Right? The method name should not be like this. I'll tell you, right? It
Right.
accepts an integer. It accepts an integer. And it starts from 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1. The elements count minus 1. Okay. Now the next line. Right? Give
Yeah.
spaces and come to that and say 2. Under 1, you say 2. Dot. Go back to your Chrome. Right? Can you see their value type? Or in the option, you have something called as value attribute, right?
Yeah.
On the left hand side,
Right. Right. Value.
value. What does it give is like whenever you are inserting something, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you see Volvo in between the nodes, it is V caps.
Yeah.
Saab is with S caps. Opel is with O caps. RD with A caps. But in the value attribute, it is all small, right?
Okay. Yeah.
The display name will be different from what is being taken to the option,
Okay.
right? When you are having something to be given, right? What you do is like you give it in such a way that okay, this value is going to be inserted into the
Mm-hmm.
DB. Is that okay for you? If that is okay, then let's stop it there and
Okay.
get it inserted.
Okay.
What happens here is like when you are having the country names, right?
Mm-hmm.
For India, what is the total length of the string?
5.
5. For United States of America,
Much more.
right?
Yeah.
Australia, it will be like something around 7 or 10,
8.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
8. Similar to that, like you have for different countries, you have different length of string
Right.
in the name. But when you are trying to insert them into DB, how do you form it as a uniform thing?
Okay.
You say India to be referred as IND.
Mm-hmm.
And in Australia, you will just say it as AUS.
Right.
For USA, you say it as USA.
Yeah.
England, ENG,
ENG. Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Similarly, like for Pakistan, PAK,
Yeah.
right? So you use any 3 characters, or you'll get the 3 characters formed so that the country can be recognized separately. Now,
Yes.
if I have only 3 characters, right,
Mm-hmm.
it is easy for me to insert 3 characters. So
Yeah.
whenever I say here, right, I can just you can go to Volvo there
Okay.
in the option in the left hand option, right, and in the display name, right, the VCAPs,
Yeah.
change it to your name. Change it to your name, right? Give run here on top. Yeah. Right now you can see there. Yeah, I can give any names in the display.
Okay.
Right? If I choose Vijay, then the value will be chosen as Volvo
Volvo.
in the DB.
Right.
So value attributes plays a vital role here,
Okay.
right? An important role where it says like whatever values are being inserted into the DB, that will be taken to consideration by this,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Now the method to select using that value is Select by value.
Select by value. Yeah.
Okay, go back there. Select by value, right? It accepts string and it should be value attribute of an option. It should be value attribute of an option. No, the next one. The next one, third, right? Go there, go there. Now, if you see here on the right hand side, in the drop down, you can see Vijay and other stuff, right?
Right.
Option, Opel, and all those stuff.
Yeah.
As a tester, right? If you are not, what to say, seeing the backend like the HTML pages and all those stuff, you will find only these things,
Okay.
right? If I ask you to choose sub, you will not go to the HTML and you will not know the sub with all small value, and you will not choose that.
Okay.
What you will use, you will only use something that is visible to you,
Okay. Yeah.
right? This is how it is visible to you, the option, right?
Right.
Whatever you values you have in between the opening node and closing node of your option,
Yes.
right? That is vcaps Vijay.
Yeah.
That is called as visible text or displayed text.
Right.
Visible text. That text will be visible to you,
Yes. Yeah.
right? Even with the other one, right? We learned for links. We have learned. You remember,
Yeah,
right?
sir.
We'll take the opening text displayed between the anchor node, opening node, and closing node of anchor tag, right?
Right.
Similar to this, like whatever you are seeing here in between the particular nodes, right? The opening node of an option and closing node of an option is considered as visible text.
Okay.
Using that, you can select the option. This is a third method available,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Now go back and write the notes. Select by visible text.
Visible text.
Accept string, accept string, and it should be the display text between the opening node.
Uh, can I just give these?
No. If you give that, then you'll get confused.
Okay.
You
Opening
have to
and
say
closing nodes.
node of option tag. Ange kila you make a note of there, right? Not like that. Not like that.
Okay.
Open bracket, open curly and the angular brackets. Open that greater than and less than. Right? First give less than symbol, First give less than symbol. Type option,
Option.
option, OPT. Yeah. Close that. Not that close, bro. The greater than symbol.
Okay.
Right? Go to the end and say uh, display text. Display text there. Right? Now less than symbol divided by slash. Option, type option, and greater than symbol. Now close the normal bracket. You now go to your application and see, you will understand why we wrote that.
Acha, okay.
The option, whatever you are seeing, right? Value, whatever is there, that is inside the opening node,
Right.
right? The opening node will be till there, till the close of the
The
greater
value.
than symbol.
Yeah.
Yes.
Till here. Yeah.
And after that, and
This
whatever
is
you have, you are checking them.
displayed name and this is option. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this code is written in HTML, kya, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
All your UI will be in HTML only.
Okay. We can't use Java to, build UIs.
Which
Can
one?
we or can't we? Java.
Java, you can use it for desktop applications.
Okay.
You might have learned about different models, right?
Right. Yeah.
What is that they called? Applets and all those stuff.
Yes. Yeah.
So those things can be done. But again,
Okay.
like that will not be of good use,
Okay.
right? For getting the application loaded into the browsers, you need HTML.
Okay.
Why? Because these will be opened from different browsers.
Yes. Yeah.
You might have heard about swings in Java, right?
Yeah.
Where those are fixed elements, components. Like we
Yeah.
cannot use them to get them opened in browser, because you have to deploy all your program into the particular client also.
Yes.
Right now, you don't have any installations for Google, right? You don't need to install anything in Google,
Yeah.
accessing Google application. You just use the URL to hit it and get the data.
Yeah.
Similarly, with your IRCTC, you don't need to install anything in your desktop.
Yes.
Only if the browser is there, through the browser you are accessing them, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll practice this select type, right?
Yeah.
Go to your program and copy this URL first. Copy the first URL top.
This URL.
Yes, copy that URL.
Yeah.
Right? Now go there to your programs and use a file save as this test3 to different name. File test3 is what you are in, right? Now go no. Go file save as. File save as test4 select. You make it as test4 select.
Just for select.
Yes, should be caps. When you are giving it as a separate word, should give it as class. Say okay. Right? Now go and rename that class, line number 12. No, just mouse over. It will prompt you, change it. Right? Save it. Now go to the URL part. IRCTC registration is what it has earlier, right? Now you are going to work on this W3 school.
Yes.
Now change. Right? Now it will open this particular URL and it will maximize and keep. Right?
Right.
What we are doing now after launching the initial thing, right? The launching of the browser and all those stuff, we are not changing. We are changing only the place where it changes the application alone, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And go to this the other programs where we have normal thing, right? Normal script, test2 or new test2. We have written something like driver dot and all those programs, right? Where are they?
This one.
This is one thing. And in test2, go to test2. The other test2. No, not that one. Not that one. See in the default package. test2 you open there. Go to test1 then. Test1 go. Yeah, change the URL.
Here also,
right? Yeah, both the places.
Yeah.
Right? So what you are doing is like you are launching the browser. Why I am asking you to do this is first you learn the program, and then we can go and implement the common method.
Okay.
Right? Come down now. Scroll down. Here, after this complete loading, right? Line number 53 after that is and type there after line number 54. Come out of that catch, bro. Yeah, come out of that catch.
Yeah.
Right? What you need to do now, I have to interact with the select option, right? The
Okay.
selected drop down.
Yeah.
So I told you that there is a class implemented in select, right?
Yeah.
Type select escape, select control space, give control space. Control space, right? It will give you a lot of select methods, but what is that we are working with? You are working with Selenium.
Yes.
The second option, can you see there?
Yeah.
What does it say? It says from support
Selenium.support UI. Yeah.
support UI, right? This is the class that you have to use for select. Only then
Okay.
you will get the three methods, whatever we have discussed,
Yeah.
right? Select that, right? Now give a space, create an object.
What
How do you
should be
create
the
an
name?
object? DD drop down cars underscore cars. This for cars field, right?
Equals.
Equal to new select of select escape of open bracket. Right? Now you go to the end and say semicolon at the end. Right? Now it is being highlighted, right?
Yeah.
In red color. Why? Because it accepts something for getting the option created, the object created. If you are not giving anything, right, it will not take anything.
Okay.
You have to give the web element, it says, right?
Yeah.
That is mandatory, without which it will not even move further.
Okay.
It cannot initialize the object.
Okay.
The DD cars is not complete if you don't give the web element for that particular field.
Right.
Go back to your Chrome. And what is that you find? You find their ID
Yes.
on this side in the HTML side. Copy that ID. Now go there and say driver dot find element, first option, by dot, no, you cannot copy that. By dot ID, in double quotes you paste the value. Right? Now your object is complete because you have given the web element. This is the web element that we are talking about. You are going it with ID now, right?
Yes.
For
Yeah.
the previous classes, have you used ID? No.
No,
But
name
now
we
you are
used.
using,
Yeah.
yeah, because they don't have ID given there.
Yeah.
We have used name there. Now we got ID, so we are using ID here,
Yes. Yeah.
right? Now come to the next line and say, what is that? DD underscore cars. We said that these are methods available in select, right?
Right.
Dot, to give dot, and you try to get the method select. Yes, type S. You can
Select
see
by
their side
index.
index, select by value, and select by
Yeah. Visible text.
visible text. All of them doesn't return anything. You can see there after the
Void.
methods void,
Yes.
and then it is class select method, right? It is from select method.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what you will do, you will use the first one. Select by index, and you give that 0, which says like it should be selecting the first value. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now the next one. What is the next one? I want to check that
Click.
all the methods, right?
Yeah.
Why click? Click is already done, right? It is selected. Why do you want to select
Okay.
again and again?
Okay.
Right? Now go to the next line. DD cars dot select by value.
Okay. So we are doing all the three.
Yes, I want to check whether all the methods are
Okay.
working or not. Right? For
Okay.
testing, we need to do that.
Okay.
Here in that value string, right? Double quotes, it accepts the string. Give
Mm-hmm.
double quotes,
Mm-hmm.
and then go to the application and copy paste whatever you want, any value that you want, apart from Vijay. Right? Don't choose Volvo because already it has been chosen, right? You cannot
Okay.
see that.
Okay. Should I choose?
Copy the value,
Okay.
value attribute, not the displayed text. Yeah, go there. Right? Now the next one. What is the next one?
By visible text.
Yes. Double quotes, go there and copy the displayed text. Right?
Yeah.
Between these lines, right? We have used thread sleep earlier, right? For
Yeah.
getting it to wait for some time.
Right.
Right? Give that lines between these three lines. Type there thread dot sleep
Right.
T caps
Just see. So between everything.
each. Yes, yes. Thread dot
Red
sleep.
dot sleep.
Give 5 seconds. 5,000. Right?
Even after this, we need, sir.
If you want, you can have it.
Yeah.
Right? Now the remaining lines, right? From 63 onwards,
Mm-hmm.
you just comment them till the end. You
Till
don't
the
need to have this program end. Yes, come down and scroll down. Just select them. And,
till here.
yes, comment. Right?
Yeah.
Why? Because like these are lines which are going to be like for your Google program, and I don't want you to change them. Right?
Yeah.
Execute this and see it fails actually. Execute. It fails. An expected failure is there. Now go there, you can see a failure. Right?
Yeah.
It say, what does it say?
No such element of section.
Yeah, click on that line. You click on the Java file name that you have used, right? Now that is not visible, it says. Why? Because it is inside a frame, right?
Okay.
Now when I come to your home, right? If
Mm-hmm.
you are inside a bedroom,
Mm-hmm.
right? Can I see you?
No, sir. You need to come inside.
Yes. Similarly, what you need to do is inside a frame or inside any page, separate page, if your elements are there, then you cannot see them.
Right.
So what you need to do is go back to your this thing, Chrome.
Right. So can you give me a minute? I'm getting a call. I'll give it to my mom and come in
Okay.
a second.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hi, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Go back to your Chrome where you opened that W3, right?
Yeah.
Inspect on that particular field.
Which
The
field,
choose
sir? Yeah. Okay.
this side, this side. Yeah, inspect there, right? Now go to the top a bit, and you see something called as frame inside that, right? iframe is there, right?
iFrame. Yes.
What is that iframe is like? It is for the partitioning, right? On the other
Okay.
side also you have an iframe, and this is an iframe, right?
Mm-hmm.
To separate elements, you get this frames implemented.
Right.
This is not there in the earlier HTML part. It is there from HTML5 onward.
Okay.
Even your select, right, drop down was not there earlier. The
Okay.
select tag, it was not there earlier. It was coming very recently.
Yeah.
So whenever you are accessing these applications, right,
Mm-hmm.
if you have anything like frame or iframe, you have to switch to the frame.
Okay.
We'll discuss it as a separate topic altogether. Now,
Okay.
for now, what you need to understand is like there is something like frame
Yeah.
which is hiding that particular element.
Right.
Right now, what you need to do, you need to switch to the frame.
Okay.
How do you switch to the frame? By
We look
using
at the ID or name.
yes, yes. Now use the ID at right. Now go to that particular line of program and say before that line,
Yeah.
say driver dot switch to S, type S
Switch to
to dot
dot
frame.
frame string argument.
Like it has multiple things, right? You
Yeah.
choose any of them, right? The method name doesn't change, only the arguments change. What is that called as?
Okay.
What is
But
that called as? It's a Java concept, right?
yeah.
Method name is same, but argument changes, the signature changes.
Yeah.
Overloading,
Yeah. Right.
right? Overloading is the concept implemented here. In interviews, right, you will be questioned like this one.
Okay.
If you are really worked on something, right, then it is easy for you to answer that,
Right. Yes.
right? I can switch to frame in multiple ways.
Mm-hmm.
So the method implemented is same.
Yeah.
If you see the other thing, right, select, you have three different methods as such implemented. For
Right.
index one method, for value one method, and for visible text one method.
Yes.
Whereas in switch to frame, you got all these three methods implemented in a
Sim.
same method name,
Yeah.
so that it is easy for you to move anyway, right? If
Right.
you want to switch, you can switch it in anyway, right?
Right.
Choose any of them,
Right.
right? Inside that, whatever you give will be different, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Click anyone. Now give instead of null, you give driver dot find element by ID. Find element, choose that by ID, B caps and Y dot ID. right? Double quotes, you paste the value that you copy, right? What we are doing is like we are switching to the frame so
Mm-hmm.
that you can easily go and select the value. I'm coming to your room so that I can go and
See.
select the value in the
Yeah.
drop down, right? Now execute this and see. As of now, you just understand it like a basic thing, and then we'll have a separate class for that. We
Oh.
have alerts, frames, and windows as separate concepts as well.
Oh.
Executed. You can see Volvo is being selected.
Yeah.
Now
Opel now.
Is being selected,
And now Audi.
and Audi is being selected, right?
Yes.
So what you need to do is like whatever value is being selected, whether it is selected or not, you have to check it,
Yeah.
right? For that, you need to know whether you give some time and get that value,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
This is basic operations on select. Any questions on this?
Hmm. So selecting means we are actually choosing the option. We are not
Yes.
submitting anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to click, you can click on submit
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was
button
trying to
also.
use earlier. Click करके
Mm,
submit. Okay, so yeah, got it.
right?
Yeah,
And the next one, what is the next one? We have to create a method for this, right?
yeah.
So in these lines of program,
Mm-hmm.
right? The first line, driver to switch to the frame, right? All
Right.
the stuff is not going to be of what you say a method that is applicable for selection, right? That
Okay.
is for switching because like your car's element is inside a frame, you are switching to the frame,
Right.
right? That is not going to be the part of your common method,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
We can write it as a separate method so that you can use it.
Yeah.
But again, for selecting, that is not a line of code, right?
Yeah.
Line of 56, right?
Mm-hmm.
For select object,
Yeah.
that should be a part of your select element,
Right.
right? When you are selecting, you should be getting some object with a name, right?
Yeah.
And then line number 57 or 59 or 61 is what you are going to use. Either of them
Yeah.
you are going to use,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So for these three things, right, you
Mm-hmm.
are selecting by index, by value, or by visibility,
Yeah.
right? Earlier, what you have written in common method, send keys by name is what you have written,
Yeah. Right.
saying
Yeah.
you are giving an option as entering, and by name is the attribute.
Yes.
Here, if you see, select by index is the action that you are performing.
Yeah.
Select by value is the action that you are performing. Select by visible text is the action that you are performing on what? On an ID attribute, right?
Yes.
On line number 56, you have an ID attribute for
Yeah.
cars, right?
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can say select by index using ID,
Yeah.
right? With ID, you can have any naming convention.
Yes.
Select by ID using
Select.
index. You
Okay.
can make mention it in your own understand.
Right.
But as select by index is the method, we don't
Yeah.
want to change that.
Yeah.
And by ID, if I say again, right, select by
Mm-hmm.
index, select by ID, that
Mm-hmm.
doesn't look good for us, right?
Right. Right. It will be
So
confusing.
what
Yeah.
you are, yeah, what you are saying is select by index using
ID.
ID so that it says like, okay, you are using ID attribute to select the value,
Yeah.
right? Are we good to continue?
Yes, sir.
Now copy the line number 55 and go to your common method, right? 22 after 21 you type another method. right? Public void. Public void. What is the method name?
Select
Select.
by index using ID.
No, it is switch, right? For switching, right?
Okay.
Switch by ID. Switch. SW. SCAT. Small. Sorry.
S is small,
Yes.
but we use capital in this. Why is that?
Not an issue. We'll be changing it later, right? The naming
Okay.
convention.
Okay.
Select switch by ID, right? Open
Yeah.
and close. At the end, you go and give a semi. Yeah. Here you paste the value, whatever you put, right?
Yeah.
Instead of iframe result, right? Iframe results
Mhm.
keep on changing, right? I
Okay.
don't want to keep it as static. I don't want
Okay.
to keep it as a hard coded value. I have to remove that and give it as any string ID attribute ID. No, don't give double quotes. Remove the double quotes as well. Say ID locator LOC ID underscore LOC. Copy that ID LOC and give it in the open and close of the previous method name. Inside the method name, give it as string ID LOC. Right
Yeah.
now the method is confirmed for you. Right, go to the
Yes.
other one and copy the next two lines. Save this and go. Line
Uh,
number 56 and 57 you copy. Okay, go there and write another method. What is the next method? Public
select
void.
by ID.
Yes, select by index using ID. Right now in this, what are all the things that keeps changing? Your index and
Cars and
car
index value.
zero,
Yeah.
right?
ID
These
and
two things,
yeah.
yeah, these two things you should give it as the arguments for the method. Remove
Yeah.
them and say ID locator LOC, right? And integer int. Any ID or you can say anything. Int cannot be used because it is a keyword. Int index you give. Int underscore index. This is acceptable, right? Copy these two things and give it there in the arguments as you did earlier. String ID locator and no. Copy one of them. If you copy both of them, you cannot get them right in the clipboard. Go to
Yeah.
the method, bro. Yeah. Type string ID locator, comma, int int. It's an integer, right? Int
Yeah.
space space. Now give the int index. Int index. Right? So what you are doing is like it's an integer you are mentioning there, and you are saying it to be given in that particular method, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now go to the next method and copy those two lines and paste it and get the methods done.
Using ID only, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Value. No, not ID. It is value underscore attribute. Right? Use it as a string inside the method name. Here it takes string value for value, right?
Yeah.
String value attribute. Now you don't have ID attribute here. It doesn't know what is DD parse. See there, it is getting highlighted in red color. Line number
Yeah.
35.
Yeah.
So what you need to do, you need to copy the other line, line number 30, and paste it before this. For each and
Okay.
every time when you are
Okay.
creating a drop down selection, right, you need to create
Okay.
an object and do that.
Okay.
Right now it knows what it is, but ID locator is not known to it, right? You need to add it in your arguments. First, always give that ID locator, then you give the value attribute. Right?
Yeah.
So whatever happens, like it should be in a proper way so that it is easily reusable, right?
Okay.
Now copy the same lines from 34 to 38. Copy them, paste them again. You are going to use visible text, right? Instead of value, you change it to visible text, right? In the value attribute, you say it as visible text. Instead of value attribute, you say it as visible text underscore text. There also you copy paste that in the argument. And you change the method name. Select by value badala, select by visible
Select
text.
a visible text.
No, no,
Using
no, no, no. Inside line number 42.
42.
Line number 42.
Yeah.
There it says about value, right? So to change it to visible text. Control space. Use control space. Right? Now you remove those lines or you can use them. That is up to you, right? Here I don't want to use this line, thread sleep.
Okay.
Comment them or remove them.
I'll just comment them.
Hmm. Why I'm saying here is like each and every time it will wait for 5 seconds. Whether I want to wait for 5 seconds to see that or not, it's my wish. I can
Yeah.
decide it from my class.
Yeah.
Right? Save it and go. Save it. Right? Go to your test for select now. The methods where you have to use these copy methods, right? The first part is done, right?
Yeah.
And then you are maximizing. And after that, right? After maximize or before that, in common methods, you have something like select, switch, right?
Yeah.
Cm dot switch to frame.
Yeah. Switch by ID.
Yeah, switch by ID, that you can use. Right? Double quotes, you give the value of the frame. What is that? ID frame, whatever you want.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
After selecting, like you can go and select the values, right? Multiple values.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, inside this test methods, right? You
Mhm.
remove all these methods and call your actual methods for selection.
These things.
Yes, those things you remove. This is a different test, right? You have already saved them earlier.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Remove them and say cm dot select by index using visible text. Select by index using ID.
Yeah.
What is the first one? First one should be ID locator. See in the top right, it
Yeah.
suggests you to give
ID
ID
locator.
locator.
Yeah.
And what the next one is integer index.
Yeah.
right? When you don't give it right, the names that refer to a
Mm-hmm.
particular field, right? What
Mm-hmm.
happens is you will be getting confused what to give for the first argument and what to
Right.
give for the second argument.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
only we ask you to give the attributes name or arguments names in similar to that. What is the particular field referring to?
Yeah.
Okay, right there. What is that ID? ID is cars, right?
Cars.
Copy that. Right? The index you can give it as 2 also. Right? The next one. What is the next one? Select by value using ID. Select by value, malware. Right? ID locator. What is ID locator? It's going to be the car. Same field only you are
Yeah.
using, right?
Yeah.
Right? What is the value? That value you have to copy from there. And what is the next one?
By using visible text.
Yes. Select Vijay. Select Vijay. We need an exception to be called there.
Okay.
Right? Now you have changed it to Vijay. Right?
Yeah.
In real time, right? When it opens, it will be like Volvo only. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
We cannot publish to their website now
Yes.
as of
Yes.
now.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting a failure here, right? That the
Yeah.
particular option is not available.
Mm.
Then you have to handle the exceptions. Like how do you handle the exceptions using
Right. That's okay.
right
Yeah.
try catch block in the common methods? You have to go and accept them.
Yeah.
Right? Use thread sleep in between each lines.
Shall I run it?
No. Check the exception. Throw add throws. Mouse over on that line thread sleep
Yeah.
and add.
Right.
Right? Run.
Yeah.
Now you can see here the value of Volvo is Volvo. It's not
Right.
like your
Vijay.
expectation, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It has chosen Opel. It has chosen Saab, and later it is going to fail. Right? Now go
Okay.
there and see. You can see that it failed.
Yeah.
Yes or
Failures
no?
one. Yeah.
Now go to the top and see the exception. What is the exception?
No
Cannot
such
locate
element.
the element with text Vijay. You are trying to locate an element with text Vijay, which is
Yeah.
not available.
Yes.
It clearly mentions it, right?
Yeah.
Now give Volvo and check that whether it is working fine or not. How do you use this? The text, whatever you are giving here, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Volvo or Opel or other elements,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Those should be the expected one.
Yes.
Whatever you are giving in the method calls.
Yeah.
And whatever is there in the application is the actual value.
Yeah.
When your actual value doesn't match with your expected value, then it is failure.
Yes. Exceptions.
right? Go there and check.
Yeah, everything's fine.
Right?
Yeah.
So always remember that the method names is one thing like where you have to check, and then the other things, right? We'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay.
And have you created the drive with all the recordings, Vijay?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. I've created. I'll share it to you today. I'll add this class also.
Yeah, you can do
I'll
it
add
right away.
today's class
So that
also.
like
Yeah.
what happens is like again like in that same drive I'll keep some softwares whatever is needed for you
Okay. Okay.
so that it can be easily accessible,
Cool. Cool, sir.
right?
Yeah.
Some things, right? You don't need to download each and everything,
Right.
which are already there, right? Stable
Yeah.
versions, I'll share it to you, right?
Yeah, sir.
So that
No.
we can plan for class.
Yeah.
Right. So anything else like we need to discuss today? Do you have any doubts in this particular
No,
concept?
no, sir. It's okay for today. I'm all good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just
And like
finish up
for the
the
previous
rest of
classes
my notes.
also,
Yeah.
I have asked you to write a number of times
Yeah.
to get them by heart to your
Right. Right.
right
Yeah.
to train your brain.
Yeah. Yeah. I've
I don't know
started
how
writing
long
also.
you got time.
Yeah. I've started
Uh,
writing on my own. I mean, on a
Notes.
paper.
Okay,
Yeah. I'm
that will
practicing
be
that as
helping
well.
you.
Yeah.
That will be helping you, Vijay.
Yeah.
And like take it very seriously. Don't need
Yes.
to
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, try it like that, right?
Right,
You
sir.
need to
Yeah.
spend some time and get it.
Yeah.
Once you are good, right?
Yes.
You as you see, right? You don't need to learn much of Java,
Yes. Yeah.
right? It is only like how you call the
Yeah.
methods is what you are doing now.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is very easy for you and it is easily doable things.
Okay.
Like we are not teaching you the rocket sciences. It
Yes.
is
Yes.
simple,
Yeah.
simple methods where you just call them with the attributes that you want to have.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
We'll meet again tomorrow.
I've created a project here. Practice Selenium
Oh,
Bolke.
okay.
I'll just show you. I don't know what this means. I've
Hmm.
tried to recreate the class, but
Hmm.
uh, what
Yeah.
should I
What
do?
you have done, you see there. See there. That is what I say. Right?
Yeah.
In this Selenium, right? Whatever you
Uh-huh.
are having, minimize your SRC.
Okay.
Not that one. Not that one. In your project, Selenium
Okay.
as
Okay.
project, right? You can see here the JRE, right?
Yeah.
Above that you have something called as reference library.
Yeah.
Okay, you are not having them.
Yeah.
Okay, you have
Yeah.
to do it with
Okay.
right click on that, build path, configure build path. In that, go to the libraries tab and add them. Add external jar in the module path. The module select the module path, module path. Don't select JRE. Right? Add external jars. Now go to your project where you have this workspace.
Uh,
Where is your Selenium project?
on the desktop.
Okay. Don't keep all your scripts in desktop. It's going to bomb one day,
I see. Okay.
right? When you have something like crash, right, with your OS,
Okay.
then you'll have to take care of it.
Okay. I'll
Right?
move
Now
that.
go to your lib on that lib folder and select all the libraries that you have.
Even the zip one as well.
Yeah, zip one also you should try.
Okay.
Right? You okay.
Okay. Apply and close.
Right? Apply and close.
Okay. So I thought we don't need to do it every time we uh, create a project. I thought once we add,
No, 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 no.
they'll stay.
You have to add them unless and until it is not prompting you can leave it, right?
Okay.
Whenever you need a class, now it comes, right?
Yeah, right.
Previously, you didn't get that.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is asking you to
That's
create
what.
a web driver.
Yeah,
You're just referring here. Like we are not
yeah,
creating the methods. We are just referring the method,
yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Spend some time on it, and like
Yes.
even this lines, right?
Yeah.
I'm not happy to be frank, right?
Okay.
Whatever the line number 8 says, right? You have to give the
Mhm.
exe, and even the spelling in WebDriver, right? That is not correct.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, each and every word has its own meaning,
Right, right, right.
right? Web, it is WEB,
Yeah. I just
right?
started this. I just started writing.
When you are starting itself, if you can correct yourself, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That will be helpful to you,
Right,
right?
right, right.
And whatever you are uh, typing and all those stuff is fine.
Yeah.
You make them practice them on paper as well, so that
Yes.
you, by looking at the program itself, you should be compiling it. That is
Yeah.
the level that you should be when you are going in for
Right,
interviews, right?
right.
When you are writing a program, if you write it in a different way, right? If I forget the first option and I'm giving only the second option,
Yeah,
I'll fail and I'll go to Google and I'll search. In the say in that case, why should people hire you,
yeah,
right? When you are
yeah.
being to be ready to be hired,
Mm-hmm.
then you should be having all this knowledge,
Right,
right?
right, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else, Vijay?
That's it,
And
sir.
even like I
Yeah,
asked you to change the JRE, right? When you are creating the project, right? With the project cell, whatever you are using, right?
yeah, yeah,
Practice cell, right?
yeah.
Right click on that, right click on that project,
Okay.
go to properties, the last one,
Mm-hmm.
and in that you go to compiler, Java compiler, compiler. Yeah, select, click on compiler. Yeah. What is that you have chosen? The option to be
15.
1.5.
Yeah, it's 15.
1.5 is right.
Yeah.
Java 15. Like you use 1.8.
Okay.
Select them. Come here and say in the drop down.
It's not. Yeah. Apply and close.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
If you remember right earlier when you started, you
Yeah.
got this issue with Chrome browser and all the stuff, right?
Yeah.
Those are because of this version 15, whatever you are using. That is the latest version, which is not supporting Selenium
Okay. Okay. I see.
or
Okay.
Java development. It can be used,
Mm-hmm.
right? Initially, when we are trying to load the browser and all those stuff, we faced issues, right?
Yeah.
We have wasted almost a day on
Right.
that
Right.
to fix the challenges.
Yeah.
So always change those things and use it.
Okay, sir. So why is it not throwing the error now, sir? Chrome driver cannot be resolved to 5.
Because like your version, right? Whatever version you are using,
Mm-hmm.
that because of that, save these things and you try to remove that JRE 1.15 and get it as 1.8,
Right.
right?
Right. Right.
The compiler we have changed, but the JRE library we have not changed,
Yeah.
right? Whenever you are creating the project, the first thing that we need to choose is choose the particular JRE and then choose the particular libraries, reference
Right.
library.
Right. Right. So
Those are
to
the first
choose
two
the
steps.
JRE, we use the build path method.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
JRE killadu. This is for
Okay.
reference libraries.
Okay. How do we?
For JRE,
Okay.
right click and use properties,
Here or on the
project, on the project.
properties?
Right click. Property. use Java compiler option.
Okay.
Click on Java
Okay.
compiler.
Okay.
Here you have to use this
Yeah, I've
when you are
selected
creating it.
1.8 already.
But it is not coming.
It still says
Right?
Java SE.
Mm. To fix that, go to the libraries again and go to JRE and delete that and add a new JRE. Even that can be done. You have installed 108, right?
Yeah.
Now right click on that. Go to build path, configure build. Yeah, in that JRE is there, right? Choose the
Yeah.
JRE
Yeah.
and remove. Say remove.
Remove.
Yeah, now go to your libraries and add library you say, right? JDK is what you are adding, right? You just
Uh,
said it is selected, right? JRE.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, choose the next one. Choose yes, workspace default as you choose the installed JREs. The first one.
Yes.
Second
Finish.
option. Second option. No, use the second option. Second option there.
Install JREs.
Hmm. Select the alternate JRE, bro. Then you will get that. Yes. Install JRE. It says right. Now you apply. Say apply.
Finish.
Hmm.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Always when you are creating itself, when you are doing these changes,
Right.
you will not have any hiccups afterwards.
Right. So
Right.
we need to do this every time we create a new project, Selenium project.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah. We'll
Uh,
catch up tomorrow. Hmm?
sure, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, man. Have a
Bye,
great
sir.
day.
Bye, bye to you too. Thank you.